I'm Karina Dennis, and I am a student from Alfred State College, and today I will be showing you how to make a chocolate mousse torte. We're going to begin by making the cake itself. It is a devil's food cake, and you start by sifting all of your dry ingredients into a bowl, and the recipes are located on the website. In here we have cake flour, cocoa, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and we're going to add emulsified shortening in here. If it comes out. Put it on our mixer. We're gonna mix it with a paddle attachment on the first setting. I'm gonna pulse it so it doesn't explode all over the place. You want to make sure you scrape your bowl down really well too, because the shortening tends to stick to the paddle and it won't get mixed in if it's sticking to the paddle. What you're looking for is for it just to be incorporated really well, and then we're going to add part our sugar and part of our milk. Get in there. Probably want to pulse it again so it doesn't go all over the place. We're gonna scrape it down real quick, if I could get him down. So we make sure it mixes in completely. Yuck. You wanna make sure you scrape all around your bowl, because if something's on the bottom and it doesn't get mixed in, it can mess up your recipe and your cake can't come out flat. It could collapse, it could get some kind of a bubble on it or something. You don't want that. We're going to add the rest of our milk. You also want to do this slowly so it doesn't splash up. We're gonna scrape it again and add our eggs, and we're gonna be all done mixing. Just a heads up, this is chocolate. It is very messy. I know I get it all over the place. Make sure you continue to mix it until all the lumps are out, because you don't want a lumpy batter. You want it to be nice and smooth and pourable. scrape it one more time. That's it. Alright, so now we're just gonna pan up our cake batter here. And you wanna fill the pans about halfway so you get a nice sized cake. Making sure that that's mixed up. Make sure your pans are greased and floured too. You grease them up, put them in some flour, shake it around, get it all over there, and knock out all the loose stuff. And your cakes will not stick at all. That's it. Okay, so now you want to just put these in an oven, probably 350 degrees, and the way to tell when they're done, you touch the cake on top, and when it springs back and doesn't sink in or leave an imprint, it's all done. That should take about a half an hour.